Welcome. In front of me is a MEIZU M8, and today I'll show you how to record screen on this device. So to get started, simply pull down your notification panel and find the screen which cuts off, but that's the screen recorder. So you can tap on it, and as you can see, it will pop up this little overlay right here. You can choose to either have your microphone on or off. If you want it on, just click on it, and this will remove that like cross, making basically your phone record also the microphone. And if you don't want it, keep it at this state. From there, to start recording, simply press on start. As you can see, it now records. You can drag that wherever you want, and whatever you will do right now will be recorded by the device. Once you're done, you can simply tap on end, and this will automatically save it to your gallery application. I should also mention that that overlay that you've seen right here will not be visible on the recording. So let's go to our gallery, albums, and you will find it right here in screen video. Click on it, and there is the recording. So there we go. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.